First, you need to have the Davinci Resolve downloaded on your PC and the patch as well. The patch is linked in the Discord, and to get Davinci Resolve, you simply just go to the official website right here. Click on free download now. Make sure you get the studio version because it wouldn't make sense to get a free version, you know. Scroll down, click on download only, and now your download should start. So once you've got both of these on your desktop, first we gotta extract the Davinci folder. Extract all. Then you click on extract. Now, once Davinci is done extracting, you just double click on the file, and now you can just open and install Davinci Resolve. Okay, now as you can see, my Davinci is done installing. Now let me just close that, and step 1 is complete. Now step 2 starts. Click on the setup. There should be a UAC prompt. You just click on yes, then click on next, install. Pretty easy, pretty simple. Finish. And now this thing should be on your desktop. Double click on it, click on yes again. Now you gotta install the emulator. That shit is done. Now renew the emulator license. Boom, got that shit. And now you can open Davinci Resolve and see what happens. What the f? Now as you can see, Davinci Resolve works as intended. And check for updates. It should be the latest, right?